Hey, we're going to make some grilled fish kebabs today.
And I'm going to make a pineapple rum glaze.
Now you could make this with any kind of a firm fish, like a swordfish. We picked up some halibut.
It's going to be delicious.
Let's get this cooked going. Now I've got 3 pieces of halibut here. All I want to do is slice it up so that we get some thick chunks. Now I've got this Ernest Hemingway Rum Runner Honey Rum Marinade. Now you don't have to use this. In fact, in the description box, I'll put a link to a rum marinade on the internet. If you're interested in this marinade, it's got soy sauce, garlic, honey, rum flavor, lemon powder, and some spices, along with a couple other things in it.
Hey, so gonna make a rum pineapple glaze to go over our halibut. Put some pineapple juice in here. I'm just going to add about half the can. Then I'm going to go ahead and put a 1/4 cup of brown sugar in there. Use my little thing here to put my rum. This rum is from Savannah. No, it's from Georgia. It's from Georgia. I went to a distillery there. I'm gonna do 2 of these. Should be pretty boozy. All right. 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar and 1 tablespoon of garlic. 1/2 tablespoon of salt, 1/2 tablespoon of pepper. Just do that to your taste. 1 tablespoon of coriander. And then this is sweet Thai chili sauce. I really like this stuff. So I'm going to put 1/4 cup in there. And then we're going to get this stuff up to a boil. And we're going to let it simmer down so we can use it as a glaze over the top. All right, so you can see it's coming up to a boil. We're going to let this reduce to about half.
Marinate this fish for 1 hour. Now what we're going to do, look, this is really simple stuff, right? Piece of the fish. Well, we may or may not do a piece of pineapple. Piece of the pineapple. We're just going to alternate. Maybe I didn't think through this well. This is a big skewer. And anyway, I'm going to thread these up, and I'll meet you over at the grill. You can see I've got a nice bed of coals here. I'm just going to cook these open flames. And I got a little extra pineapple there, a couple of peppers. We'll put those on as well. But this grill's pretty hot. It's only going to take a couple, 3 minutes each side. Turn these guys over, hit them up with that rum glaze that Tammy made. Let them sit here a couple more minutes, turn them again, 1 more glaze, and we'll be done. We got our skewers here.
Skewers.
We got our skewers, kebabs, however you say it here. You can see Tammy's dressed them up with some cut green onion. What we've got over here is neither one of us have ever had this before. I ordered it. Black rice. And then what did you do here?
So I sauteed together pineapple, green onion, and green pepper with olive oil and some, how do you say it? The gochujang, you know, the...
Gochujang?
Yeah, gochujang.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so we've got our fish here. Remind me again, what's the fish?
The fish is halibut.
Halibut. Okay, there's your fork if you want to get it. I'm going to try...
I want to try this too.
This black rice. You guys had this? If you have, leave me a comment below. It's got an interesting texture. Not like regular rice texture. It's a little bit more grainy. Is that the right word? Grainy or,
yeah.
or meaty?
Yeah.
Let's move on. Let's move on to the entree. Let's try that fish with that glaze. my gosh.
Oh, so good.
Look at that, nice and white. Now,
It's super delicious.
it is. Now you see, I didn't put any barbecue seasoning on it while it was cooking. I wanted to. She said no. She was right. It's got plenty of flavor, plenty of salt, sweetness from the pineapple. Absolutely delicious.
Yeah, that's good.
Pretty easy, right? The whole cook on the grill took, I don't know, I didn't time it, 4 to 6 minutes maybe. I had it pretty hot. You saw the embers. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you for making that sauce.
And if you haven't clicked the bell and subscribe, please do so. It helps a lot, and it's free.
Do what she says.
This is so good.